Have you ever wondered what principles you should adhere to when it comes to relationships and women? How does Stoicism guide us in navigating these complex interactions? Today, we dive deep into the 7 Stoic things you should never do for women. Stay tuned because what you'll learn might just transform your approach to relationships. 1. Never compromise your core values. First and foremost, a Stoic never compromises their core values for anyone, including women. Why is this so crucial? Imagine a scenario where you're asked to lie to protect someone's feelings. It may seem harmless, but as a Stoic, integrity is paramount. Compromising your core values for anyone undermines your sense of self and leads to inner conflict. Stand firm in your beliefs. Women respect authenticity and integrity far more than someone who bends their values for approval. Being true to your principles not only earns respect, but also strengthens your own self-respect and confidence. 2. Never neglect self-improvement. Another critical principle: never neglect self-improvement for the sake of a relationship. Personal growth and self-improvement are cornerstones of Stoicism. If you abandon your journey of self-betterment to please someone else, you not only lose sight of your own goals, but also become less attractive as an individual. Maintain your passions and interests. Women are drawn to men who have a purpose and are constantly striving to become better versions of themselves. Your dedication to self-improvement demonstrates ambition, discipline, and a zest for life. 3. Never seek validation from others. Seeking validation from others, including women, is a trap that Stoics avoid. But why is this so important? Stoicism teaches us that true contentment comes from within. When you seek validation externally, you give away your power and become dependent on others for your happiness. Trust in your own worth and value. Women respect those who are self-assured and do not rely on external affirmation to feel good about themselves. Confidence is magnetic, and true confidence comes from within, not from the approval of others. 4. Never fear being alone. One of the biggest fears for many is the fear of being alone. However, a Stoic embraces solitude. Solitude is a time for reflection and growth. It's in these moments that you truly understand yourself and your needs. Fear of being alone often leads to unhealthy attachments and decisions. Embrace your alone time. Women appreciate someone who is comfortable in their own company and doesn't need constant companionship to feel complete. Your ability to enjoy solitude speaks volumes about your inner strength and independence. 5. Never lose emotional control. Maintaining emotional control is a hallmark of Stoicism. But what does this mean in the context of relationships? Emotions can be overwhelming, especially in relationships. A Stoic learns to manage their emotions and respond rather than react. Losing emotional control can lead to regrettable actions and words. Practice emotional resilience. Women respect men who can stay calm under pressure and handle conflicts with grace and composure. Your steadiness and emotional intelligence will foster a healthier and more stable relationship. 6. Never make decisions based on pleasing others. Making decisions solely to please others, including women, can lead to regret and resentment. Decisions should align with your values and long-term goals. When you make choices just to keep someone else happy, you sacrifice your own desires and needs. Be true to yourself. Women are more likely to respect you if you make decisions based on your own convictions rather than trying to appease everyone else. Authenticity and decisiveness are attractive traits that reflect a strong sense of self. 7. Never put someone on a pedestal. Lastly, never put anyone, including women, on a pedestal. Pedestalizing someone creates unrealistic expectations and imbalances in the relationship. It can lead to dependency and a loss of self-worth. See others as equals. Women appreciate relationships where mutual respect and equality are the foundations, rather than idolization. Valuing equality ensures a balanced and healthy dynamic, fostering mutual respect and genuine connection. By following these Stoic principles, you not only cultivate a stronger sense of self, but also create healthier, more balanced relationships. Remember, true Stoicism isn't about detachment from others, but about maintaining your integrity and inner peace while engaging with the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay stoic and stay true to yourself.